Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use locations in QuickBooks Online Full Guide. Open the gear icon and enable locations in Account and Settings under Advanced so you can start tagging transactions immediately. I'll walk through creating locations, assigning them to sales and bills, and building reports that show profitability by site. You'll learn practical tips to avoid common mistakes and keep your books clean and consistent. Let's set up locations step by step so you can track performance by place easily and confidently. Start by creating clear names and assign a default location to reduce entry time, then map existing customers and vendors to their locations where applicable. I'll show how to edit, merge, or delete locations safely and how changes affect historical transactions, plus tips for naming conventions to keep reports neat and meaningful. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical QuickBooks guides you'll actually use. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them while reconciling, and they make long accounting sessions comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoyed this tip, please give a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll focus on everyday use, so locations become part of your routine without friction. When you create transactions, pick the right location from the drop-down and double-check recurring templates to keep future entries correct. I'll demonstrate filtering reports by location, combining location with class for deeper insight, and using custom date ranges to spot trends so decisions are based on accurate, location-specific data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.